Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bianca and thank you for joining me today. And for the ones that have been joining me, welcome back. Today I'm
The reason I keep looking down is because I have my laptop in front of me with all the Boxycharm information.
Know a little more about it. I will be showing you all the goodies of it, and this is what it looks like. I'm also going to be showing you, telling you more about it in detail, the amount and how it works. So let's get started. So you have to be subscribed in order to get the Boxyluxe. So you are subscribed and you get your box every month, and that's $24.99. And then you can upgrade it to your Boxyluxe, and that box, as in this box, you get every 3 months. So the Boxyluxe replaces your regular box every month that falls into the 3 months, which is December. We get the Boxyluxe instead of the regular box. Then the box is worth over $300 each time. You have to pay $49.99, but you see it in two different amounts. You see it in $24.99 and then the $25. So remember, the subscription box, the first one, the regular box, is $24.99. So you're paying $25 extra to get the Boxyluxe. So this kind of just started not too long ago. I think it's been a couple of months. I'm not too sure. They also have a premium box that they just came out with, and I'm still on the waiting list for that one. So once I get it, I'll let you guys know more about it. But let's get into this box. I've been so excited about this. I kind of don't remember what I had picked, but let's see. Okay. So this is what it looks like without falling. And again, you get your little pamphlet with things that you're getting, the amount, which we'll get to that in a while. I don't even know where to start. All right, so let's start with this one. Cosmetics Clean Clinical Luxurious is what the box says. And yes, I remember this. So excited. It's a face and body massage beauty roller. And this is what it looks like. Okay, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I always see Tati Westbrook do this.
Don't need to use those gel eye patches. You can actually just go under the eye like this. You do that for about 45 seconds. Go on the other eye, 45 seconds. You can go up the neck. You can go right here. You can go on your arm.
And I wonder, does it feel good? Does it really work? Well, I got my own now. This is so cool. I'm really excited about this thing. Okay. So there's your first item, which I don't think I told you guys how many items you get, but we'll count them as we go. This is the first one. Okay, then you get, this is a Daily Concept, your hair wrap towel. This is really cool. And it is that. I have scissors and I have nails and I won't be able to open it. There we go. This is what it looks like. It's pink and there's a button here. See it? Let's see. There we go. Okay. that's 2 items. Here we have the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. That's nice. Here we have the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. That's nice. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so it's a multi-use for body, face, and hair. Fast-absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous, without feeling greasy. Huh, interesting. Okay, this is what it looks like. And it is glass, so that's cool. And spray. Ooh, it's greasy. It's not supposed to be. Ooh, it smells so good. Ooh. It smells really good. Oh, wow. It doesn't stay greasy, like it really does penetrate. Cool. Ooh, I like it. They give you a little coupon inside too. Next is Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive the skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Oh, interesting. Now I want to open it so I can smell it. Don't judge me. I don't have scissors. I don't know. I don't know. It has like a cucumber type of thing, and there's also oils in here. I don't know if you could see them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. Next, we have Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in the color Crazy Rich. Ooh, look at that color. If you could see, it's kind of like yellowy and pink. Of course, I'm going to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see. You guys can see that. That is really pretty. Okay, there's that. Okay. Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Soothing facial oil. So it's for your face, obviously. Let's see. It's an anti-aging oil. Oh, I remember this. Yes. Okay. I don't know why I expected it to come like this by itself. Cool. Smells like rose. Yeah, because it's rose facial oil. Did I say that? Yeah, I did. Oops. Okay, let me put it on my hand. Ooh. That leaves it really soft. Okay. I don't use oils a lot because my face is a little oily, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, I'm gonna get that lip gloss all over my hair. I already know. Okay, next item. And I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Next item is from the brand Fresh Soy Face Cleaner for all skin types. That's what it will package. Let's see, hold on. There we go. That's what it looks like. And last but not least, it's this thing. It's Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. And it's a palette, everybody. So then you get a big old mirror here. This is really cool. I like how it looks like a book. That is cool. So that's that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items for $50, guys. It's awesome. So let's put everything back and then we'll kind of go with the amount of every little item. So let me get a calculator so that we can add up everything and see if it adds up more than 300 like it says that it does. And let's see. Let's start with, okay. Let's start with the palette. The palette. This retails for $55. So 55. And the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, which is this one. Remember, it's the little pink. I'll show you guys again. I feel that my ring light was so bright that it was making everything look white, so I lowered it. Hopefully that helps, but there's that. This one retails for $79. So plus 79. Okay. And then the highlighter, the Ciate, which is this one again. That one retails for $32. So let's add it. Guys, with just the palette is $55. So you get what you paid for right there with just that one item. Okay, so the Fresh cleanser, which is this one. Let's try it again. That one is $48. So add that. Okay. The Daily Concept, the towel. Just this one. And I was trying to show you guys the button a while ago, but like I said, my ring light makes everything look white. It's too bright. Okay. That one's $18. So there's that. And then we have the setting face mist, which is this one, in case you weren't able to see it. looks like. That one retails for $32. Okay. And then this one, the dry oil spray. This one's really cool. I like this one a lot. Okay. This one is $36. Okay. The Too Faced lip gloss, which is this one. That one is $21. And last but not least, the facial roller. I'll show you guys one more time. This one is $69. So my total is $390 for 55 bucks. Guys, I'm telling you, when I first got this, I was in love with it. Again, the Boxy Charms, the regular ones, they also give you really good things. I really, really recommend it because you get a lot of cool stuff. And it's all full size. You don't get the little samples or whatever. But that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my video. I will be doing more of these videos. Like I said, I am on the waiting list for the premium box, which is also really good. At least it looks really good. I'm not too sure. But I want to have that box so I can show you guys how that one works. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.